This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the gateway and confirming firmware compatibility. This avoids pairing failures later. Plug in Ethernet or set up Wi-Fi, then watch the status LED until it indicates ready. Once done, position the gateway centrally in the home, about 1 to 2 meters off the floor, and clear of large metal or other radios to improve signal. Make sure you have your device list and any required PINs available before proceeding so pairing is fast and predictable. Put the gateway into pairing mode using the app or the gateway button. This opens a short window for devices to join. Reset each Zigbee device to factory defaults so they advertise themselves cleanly, and bring them one at a time close to the gateway during join. Once a device appears, name it and assign a room immediately to keep organization clear. Then create basic groups or scenes so lights and sensors behave predictably. Make sure to save settings and allow the network to stabilize for several minutes. Finalize by securing the gateway. Enable network encryption, change the default admin password, and perform a configuration backup so you can restore quickly. Test each device's response and run through key automations to confirm timing and behavior. Add Zigbee plugs as mesh routers in weak areas to improve connectivity. If something fails, power cycle the gateway and the device, move them closer, and retry pairing. This usually clears transient radio issues. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Always check firmware versions when problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.